Enough pumpkin spice?
Definitely not as busted as a bugs. Bakers, your pumpkin spice cakes were great. But only one baker's dessert had pumpkin spice and everything nice. That baker is the Rome. I feel like I'm on cloud nine right now. It's a dessert that I love my daughter, and it's not only important because of that dessert. It's just the best thing ever. Rome, congratulations. Your pumpkin cranberry twist is 1 unit advantage in the main heat. We'll get to that in just a moment. You know, guys, one of the things that I love the most about the holiday season is all the classic holiday desserts. I mean, you've got cheesecake, cookies, apple pie, and of course, the Yule log. There's so many times that I just wish I could mash them all up. There, little apple pie, pie is there. Forget the cookie either. Like that. Oh, God. You know, unfortunately, no. It's just never as good as I'd hope.